Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can set up and install for the Tiller Money on Google Sheets. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any type of preferred browser and search for Google Sheets. After that, sign into your account and then create a new blank sheet. In order to install the Tiller Money extension, click on the Extensions tab at the top, select Add-ons, and then select Get Add-ons. Now, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. Simply click on the search bar at the top right corner and then search for Tiller Money Feeds. Simply access the first extension and click on the Install button. Now you may be prompted to sign in using your Google account. Just make sure to select the correct account and sign in. After that, click on the Done button and then the extension will be installed. In order to start using it, get to the Extensions tab and access Tiller Money Feeds. Simply launch the extension from the sub-menu and then sign into your Google account once again. After signing in, you will be able to start using it. So that's basically how you can set up and install for the Tiller Money on Google Sheets. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.